Hey guys, welcome to another do-it-yourself video. In this video particularly, it's gonna be more of a tutorial video. um, and the issue with this truck is that it'll start up, and then after you drive it a few blocks, and the car will get hot, and then the temperature gauge will go all the way too hot, which could cause issue if you keep driving it. So and after that, you're wondering what's wrong with the car, if it's radiator coolant, if it's low, or or if it's other stuff. So the problem is that after you'll get some pink milky sticky substance coming out of the radiator cap after when it gets hot. So usually when that happens is that the coolant is mixed up with the transmission fluid oil for that. So the main issue is that most likely will need to replace a new radiator, because it's bad. Because what happened is down here there's like a radiator transmission coolant line down here that it's not passing right through where it's supposed to be going. And what happens is that there's like a little intercooler down there that it's bad, and then it'll mix up the transmission fluid with the radiator coolant, and then it'll go through the water pump, all these other stuff. So what you want to do is you want to replace a new radiator. I'm not going to show you the step by step. You guys can kind of check out how to do it, or pretty much take out some of these bolts down here, and then and the fan, of course, the hose. Replace a new radiator, replace a new thermostat, which is down here. And then also do a transmission flush, adding some new transmission oil to the car. Okay, I'll drove it around, and I'll show you guys the aftermath of the pinkish substance, so that you kind of get an idea. Okay, but overall, change the radiator, change the new thermostat, do a transmission flush, put in some new transmission oil, so it won't mess up the transmission. Okay. This is what happened when the coolant is mixed with the transmission oil. You drive the car, it's gonna be hot, and you'll get this color pinkish